Hey everyone, today, we're going to share with you 5 amazing ways to achieve and live a luxurious life in your 20s. So, get ready. The first key to living a luxurious life at 20 is to set clear goals. Create a roadmap to get there. Remember, success is not an accident, it's a result of focused effort and determination. Next up, surround yourself with positive and inspiring individuals. Build a network of like-minded people who motivate and support you. Third, invest in yourself. Continuously learn and develop new skills. Align with your interests. Remember, the more you invest in yourself, the higher your chances of achieving the life you desire. Fourth, embrace smart financial habits. Start budgeting and saving early. Take control of your finances, and watch your wealth grow. Last but not least, never stop dreaming big. Your dreams are the fuel that drives you forward. Remember, no limit to what you can achieve. You live a luxurious life in your 20s. It's time to take action and start turning your dreams into reality. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more inspiring content.